Hi friends, today I am with the Nokia C31 and in this video we are going to talk about the box content, camera features and what other things you get with this smartphone. So let's start the video with the unboxing first. First of all, Nokia C31, it comes with the similar packaging what we have seen in other Nokia smartphones, and we will definitely talk about the details in the spec sheet. First of all, this is a charcoal color. There will be two different colors also available, which is a mint and cyan color. So there are three colors total available. We got the charcoal one. Now talking about the model, it comes with the 3GB and 32GB, and another model variant is 4GB 64GB. We got the 3GB 32GB model variant. So now I will start and boot the smartphone Nokia C31. Here you can see the SIM card ejector tool. There is also some paperwork with the 10-watt charger in the box, and also it comes with the micro USB. It doesn't have a type C in the box. So this is what we get in the box content. There is no case, you don't get any screen guard with this box. Even if you see, it looks very premium in finish. The speakers are at the back end. It has also the micro USB charging slot at the bottom. It comes with the noise cancellation mic. On the side you are getting the power button and the volume rocker key. In the top you are getting a 3.5mm jack. It also comes with the fingerprint sensor which is at the back. If you talk about the SIM card slot, it comes with the dual SIM card slot and it also has a expandable memory. It doesn't have a 5G support, so you will get a 4G support in both the SIM card slot. If you talk about one of the premium features what you get in the smartphone is the always on display. Here you can see, which we usually used to get on the premium smartphone, which I definitely like. If you go to the back side, you see a physical fingerprint sensor, triple camera setup. There is speaker grills at the bottom and also a premium finish at the back of the Nokia C31. Now coming to the OS, it is running on Android 12. This is the not a Go edition, proper Android 12 edition, so you will definitely get the update for 2 years with including software security features also for 2 years. So total in the next 2 years you will get all the updates, which is a great thing. The software doesn't have any glitch. Now I will still recommend you guys to go for a 4GB 64GB model, but 3GB 32GB model can also be a good option. Now coming to the software, the device comes with a bloat free. It has some few of the apps bloatwares pre-installed, but definitely you can uninstall them. So I will definitely recommend you, if you don't like the apps, you can go and uninstall the apps. That is not a big deal. If you talk about the software version, I have already told you it is running on Android 12. If you see the software version, it was updated last on October, which is a great thing. And I definitely think that it will take some time to Nokia to roll out the softwares little frequently, but it will be a great feature. If you talk about the display, it comes with the 6.7-inch HD plus display with a V notch. It is a LCD display. It comes with the 1600 into 720p pixels, which is a HD display, and comes with the 2.5D toughened glass. If you talk about the processor, it is coming with 1.6 GHz octa-core Unisoc processor. It is running on 3GB RAM, 32GB internal storage. It comes with the huge battery of 5050 mAh. It comes with the dual 4G in the smartphone, and it has a rear mounted fingerprint sensor. It weighs around 200 grams and the device looks pretty much premium if you hold in your hand. It comes with the support of fingerprint sensor unlocking, and it also gives you a feature of face unlock. The face unlock and the fingerprint unlock both unlocks very fast. This smartphone I have tried and showed you. Here you can see it is doing the face unlock. I will show you the fingerprint unlock also at the same time. I will also recommend you to get a multiple fingerprint registered for the smartphone, because as you know that sometimes you have something in the oil or something you are eating, you need to unlock with another finger. You can do that. Here you can see I was using a dark mode. You can switch that to a light mode. It comes with the 60 Hz frame rate. You can't change the frame rate to 90 Hz or 120 Hz, but it is completely acceptable with the smartphone. In Android 12 you get some more things, including the personal. You get a more customization. You can push the redesign. It has color reimaginative, very smooth and a more responsive UI you get with this Android version, so that is a little bit advantage. If I will show you few gesture features what you get in this smartphone, so let's go to the system. Here you can see there is gesture option. Go in that, there is a swipe fingerprint notification. If you switch it on, you can go at the back and you can swipe the fingerprint sensor to see the notification. Jump to camera, it is on. I am also turn on to reject the call. There is also mute on pickup, so if you want to mute the call, you can do that also if you take it the phone horizontally. There is also prevent ringing, so there are few gestures what you get. Though I haven't tried Android 12 much in the smartphone, but I definitely love to play with the display feature as it gives you the style and the wallpaper style. Here you can see the best basic colors what you can also change, even also the app grade which can be changed. So it is completely up to you how you want to do the customization. But I definitely love to see you guys. If you have any query, you can ask us on the software feature. I haven't installed much apps in this because I want to try and test it like a fresh new phone. And coming to the battery, it comes with the 5050 mAh battery. It comes with the 10 watt of charger inside the box. The company is claiming that the smartphone can run up to 3 days, but if it runs up to 2 days also, it will be a great deal, because a bigger phone with a bigger battery is always an advantage, and many people do prefer this feature with a big display and battery. Now coming to the few more tweaks what I have seen. First, going to the message, it comes with the new message feature of Android 12 where you can see the OTPs, personal transaction, and the offers are separated. Even the Google dialer, it is a new one which is a neat and definitely a clean UI. Now I will show you a YouTube video where you can see how much bezels you have and how the video looks like. It is just for have a first look of a YouTube video playing on a Nokia C31. Talk about few more things. You get a fingerprint sensor in the power button, volume rocker keys. There is a Nokia setup at the back. Front SIM card support with expandable memory storage. Also, here you can see you have a 3 slot where dual 2 nano SIM can be installed. It comes with the speakers at the bottom with the Type-C charging cable. In the top, you are getting a 3.5 mm port, 2 holes. Now let's talk about the camera. It comes with the 3 camera setup where the primary camera is 13 megapixel. It has a 2 megapixel depth camera, 2 megapixel macro sensor camera, and it looks pretty much okay. I definitely didn't like the 2 megapixel depth camera. In the front, it has a 5 megapixel front camera. And the camera what comes in the smartphone is an Android camera, so definitely you will get the advantage of that. I will show you few things in the camera feature. Now going to the camera app, it is completely a new app which you haven't seen in the Nokia smartphone earlier. It will give you a HDR mode on or off. It also have a night mode on the top to on and off. So there are 2 different modes what you are getting. So even you will see a green light when your camera is on. If your mic is using, it will show you the orange light. There is night mode, there is HDR mode. You can also change the flash, the timer. Even you have the face retouch, which is a beauty mode kind of thing. It comes with the aspect ratio which can be changed from 40:3 to 16:9. It has the selfie which you can have ABC, and you can have a mirror one. So this is what you are getting. You are also having a preview of your gallery. In the bottom you can scan your QR code. You have a portrait mode, photo mode, video mode, and translate. In the video there is no option to change the resolution of the video mode. I tried and searched. There is also a normal mode and a macro mode on the main screen. So this is what you are getting in the video section. I searched and tried down if you can change the video mode, but there is no option for that. Here you can switch the macro mode, and this is the normal mode. Now I will definitely like to show you few samples, and you can judge yourself how the camera samples came out. This has all been taken by the rear camera, and I tried macro mode, but it didn't came out well. So I definitely would not talk about the macro mode. That is not will not give you a good picture or the image from taken by using the smartphone. This is all taken by the rear camera. The 13 megapixel gives a good camera images. This is a normal selfie, and then I have taken with a portrait one. So this is how you can see the blurring, and this is the night mode which came out really good in this price point. You can't play heavy games, but definitely you can play the light games like Subway Surfer and more. Now talking about the price point, the 3GB 32GB model variant is priced for 9,999 and the 4GB 64GB model is priced for 10,999. So this is the price point of Nokia C31. The device is for those who have multimedia consumption. This device is very useful for those who love to have a bigger display, have a better battery life, and including 4G at this price point is definitely a good choice. But you can't play high-end graphics and the camera is okay. So this is all about Nokia C31. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.